Hello, welcome to the semYOU screencast. The app I want to show you now is named semKnowledge, and this is an app where you can store different kind of knowledge. In the main Cloud Office, we started by clicking on the icon, and when we complete the login form with our details, and here's the app. First of all, we start with creating some folders where we will save later the documents inside. The folders give you the opportunity to create a virtual structure for different kind of documents. So you can save different documents inside, and each folder could have own access rights. To create a new folder, we click on the button New here in the top left hand corner. When we have the folder name, and when we click OK. And to create a new folder inside this folder, we mark the folder here in the Explorer window, and when we click again on the new icon, and there's another folder which you can see here, and the same again, another subfolder for this, marking the folder and then clicking on the icon new. And here we have all the three folders we've created, one main folder and two subfolders. If we click on the right hand mouse button, we can add a new document or a new folder as we did before. We can also rename it, delete, refresh, or here we can give the access rights to this folder and also write roles, but we leave it with the access for the group semYOU video and semYOU administration, and we save this by clicking on the button Save. Okay. After we've created a folder, we can add some documents inside. So to create a new document, we click on the icon here as the new. So we create the document for the folder semYOU video. So we've got document name, meta tag, and also space for description. Okay, and when we click OK, it will be saved, and here it is. Also, we can now act in here like you know it from Word, for example. So we've got here several tools, and size of the type, and we can write it bold and underline, and when we start writing, and so on. And as you know it, what we have here, etc. Alright. Well, that's not our actual general instructions, but I think you get an idea of it. To save what we've just wrote down here, we click on the icon Save here. And when it is saved, we can also add several other stuff we have here. We can add a file, a picture for example, a hyperlink, etc. etc. Here we've got several page layouts, also views, a web layout or a print layout. Here we can add a table, show you this, a 4x3 table, so here it is. And if we want to save it, we jump back to the Home tab and save it. Okay. Now, I go now to the folder Screencast in here, and I want to upload now a file. So we go to File, and go to Import, and then to Import Documents. Now I select my file, here it is, and now it gets uploaded. And here is it. And again, now we can give the accesses and rights to this folder to CEO, semYOU Video, and semYOU Marketing, so that my colleagues have access to this special folder and this document. Now, another thing we have here is so I jump back to the main folder, the semYOU Video folder, and then we can also search for a document. If we go to the Explorer, and then here we've got a search field, and you've got now the document Screencast, like we have this one before. And finally, after we've saved it, so back for you. All right. And also you can add favorites to or you can add documents to your favorite list, so we've got a quicker access. This goes by selecting a folder. Then we go to the document, and then we add this to the favorites by clicking on the button Favorites. And now here you have it. So you can see it if we jump back down here to the favorite window. So we've got several favorite documents. I've already added one before, but you get the idea of it. Well, that's it so far. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.